Hello, welcome to another video. Taking the vans out this time. We've already done it. I'm speaking from the future, so I already know what's happened and what have you. But before we get into it, all I just wanted to say was, if you haven't already, go like Alex's video that he's posted and go subscribe to his channel. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, that was it. We went out for a drive. I went down a road a few years back that was quite off-roady. Didn't end up going all the way down it, so I thought, you know what, I'll try it again in the van, and it turned out to be really good. So that's why we made this video. The original plan weren't actually to make one, so yeah. And big credits again to Alex, because he filmed it all on his phone, so make sure you do go give him some love on his channel. But without further ado, I suppose we'll get to it.
Keep coming. Slow. You're going to tilt right now. It's really slow. Keep going. Yeah.
Oh my god, the back end's in the air! Oh, yeah!
Yeah, keep going, you're fine.
Oh my god!
Yeah, keep going.
Oh no!
Yes.
Oh my god!
Turn that way. Yeah. This bit. Go that way. What's that thing, bro?
Just your tyre. Slow. That way a bit. Bit deeper that way. So you're going over this? Yeah. Yeah, go on. Just a bit there. If you go straight, you're all right there. Just get up on the rock. A bit more. Go on. Go on, you're all right, you're all right. This way a little bit. All right. Yeah, you'll be fine, I think. Just go slow. I'll put rocks there anyway. Yeah, fine. This way a bit. Let's watch that rock. Yep. And then come this way. God. Just hug the grass, and I think hug the grass, and I think you'll be all right. Right. Start turning to me a bit. All right, this way. You've missed that one. All good, all good. And then hook it this way. Go on, this way. Keep going, keep going. Now this way. I think you should be alright. Keep going that way. There you go. Yeah, and then turn slightly there. Go on, you're alright. Yep. A bit more. This way. There's a... Yep. Good. Now, I think if you come swing it over here. Go on, yeah, slowly. Slowly. Yep. This way a bit. Try and get your wheel on here. This way, this way, this way, this way. Yep. Oh yeah!
Next job to tackle is that big mound.
So we've got that there. This little bump. So
I'll spot you down. Just slow over that. Going. Yeah, perfect. I might struggle, but I should be able to get over that, I think.
second section now. All the way down there he's got to go. Get some side angle shots while he's on the bit of an easy bit. I don't know if you want to swing it. Keep going. Yeah, now come. 9, 10. Same for here. Oh. This way a bit. There we go. Swing. Then, yep, you should be alright there if you just follow the grass bank. Yeah. Go on, you're alright for now. Oh, you got that. Easy. Easy. Yeah. And they're back together.
Yeah. It don't look like that big on camera, but it really is in a van.
3 foot.
Yeah. Fucking hell, even that was close. Yeah, get on that side of the rock. Slowly, really slow. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Keep going. Huh? Yeah, I can run. You're on a hefty rock. Yeah. Yeah, you've got plenty of clearance. Go straight at that. Turn to me a little bit. Yeah. Yes. Whew. Fucking hell. Might as well do this. Straight down that. Whoa! It's crazy, like the fact that it actually pinned up on that and didn't slide this way because of these rocks. Yeah, just aim for that. I have my wheel literally on that rock.
That and then
Yeah.
your rest should be good. I'll try and guide you. Where did the other wheel go?
Over this.
What about here? Did it even touch these?
It went over here. So it was on this one. And then it just sort of, this is where you just sort of went.
Right.
But that's where my exhaust is popping.
Yep. I've turned to me. Somebody just... You're alright. You're just on a rock. You're fine. Turn that way a little bit. Just slow and straight.
Oh, is that my water jug in the back?
What's that? No, you just still isn't here.
The still was fine. Oh, that's fine.